What's up everyone, Sam Schroeder here at MarineMax Excelsior. Today I'm going to walk you through our 2018 Super Air Nautique G21. We designed this boat with a forward gray stripe, gray main stripe, and a Admiral blue accent with the white chrome X graphic. On the transom of the hull, you'll see we have the Nautique surf system, our wave plate, fully integrated into the hull, and you have the ability to adjust that. It only sticks out about 8 inches. And one thing I want to show you guys today is the Pebble Watch. So I wear this every time that I wake surf. I can adjust the Nautique surf system. I can adjust the NCRS plate, the volume, the speed of the boat, and transfers. Because the surf system only sticks out about 1.5 inches, you have an instant transfer. Just like that, the other side of the wave's cleaned up. I'm over there ripping it up, transfer back. You also have the ability to adjust the NCRS plate. So this is completing the running surface of the hull. And you have 6 different settings with that as well. So this plate has multiple functions. You can obviously use it when you're wake surfing, but it also has an auto plane function. So under a heavy load, you can turn the NCRS on auto, and it will stair step the boat up onto plane. You can go pick up your friend at the dock, rip back to the calm spot of the bay, and hit wake surf, and you're back surfing. And then we also have our standard surf pipe here. So what that does is it puts the exhaust emissions into the prop stream, and that bubbles up behind the rider. So you're never breathing in any exhaust, and it also makes it a lot quieter behind the boat and for your passengers in the boat as well. So we have a transom cooler right here, self-draining cooler, and you also have your JL transom stereo remote. You see we have a nice big transom walkthrough, easy step down into the cockpit, full wraparound bench seating, nice deep area, keep everyone dry. So one really cool feature on all the G series Nautiques is this reverse facing seat. And then you have this seat here too as well with a true footwell, so you can fit 1 to 2 people here, 4 people there watching the show. Really smooth tracking system to put it away. So in the G21 we have a 3-hatch design. And we also have subfloor valves, so 2,850 pounds of factory subfloor valves, all built into the stringer system. You can fit wakeboards, surfboards back there. And it's also all communicating into the cockpit. So we're not throwing any extra weight in this boat. Filling the ballast, hitting wake surf, and you're ready to go. So under the love seat here, due to our subfloor valves, we have a ton of storage, and you also have your trash can here. You can access the trash can from this on the side there. No one has to get up. Easy to take out. You have your subwoofer down there, amps, everything's tucked away, staying dry. So new for 2018, Nautique raised the tower 8 inches. We also have new board racks too. No one else is doing this. Vertical clamping board rack. It's actually putting the pressure on the rails of the board, so you're not going to ding the middle of the board when you're going across the lake. This tower is really solid. Cam latch design. You're not going to have any shake or rattle across the lake. We have matching Roswell Neptune speakers, Admiral blue, and then we also have our awareness camera there. And in addition to that, we have a GoPro mount right there, so that'll follow your rider. So Nautique makes driving this boat really easy. When you're out there pulling a wake surfer or wakeboarder, you have awesome visibility. You have a recessed glove box and an offset dash right here. At the helm, you have a big armrest, bringing the throttle to you so you're not leaning over. and you have your link pan array system up here. You also have a dial too, so I have the option to touch the screen anywhere I want, or I can use this dial. So right next to the throttle, not far away. I never have to reach up if I don't want to. Within the link system, this is your home page. You'll see when you're in wake surf mode, transfer. You have all your settings here to adjust and customize your wave. Your music menu, Bluetooth, whatever you want to do there, auxiliary. You also have zone control, which is cool, so I can control the volume of the tower, the cockpit, the sub. And then I have auto volume. I can adjust all that. New for 2018, we have this Gopro menu. So I can connect to GoPro. I can pick what mode I want to have it in, video, camera, burst. You can add additional GoPros, you can save GoPros, and then this really cool GoPro auto record. So when I hit set speed, that will automatically start recording the GoPro, so you have none of that waste footage in between when the rider falls and you have to pick him up and when he gets back going again. And then you can go through your gallery too, pick and choose what you want to use, delete stuff that you don't really care to use. Ballast menu here. We have a ballast shift option, which I use a lot pulling a wakeboarder, so I can shift over 50 pounds at a time to whatever side needs to be cleaned up. So I can do that on the fly while I'm pulling them. You have your buttons page, climate, all your presets from Nautique. So these are the profiles they recommend, and I can also add a new profile if I want to. GPS mapping, and then on the right hand side of the screen you have your switchboard. So 1, 2, 3, and 4 rows of whatever you prefer to put in there. So instead of digging through the menu, you have your favorite functions available to use. And there's your GoPro or your awareness cam. I like having ballast shift up there. The awareness cam will always come on under 7 miles an hour, so that's nice. Gives you a wide angle view of your rider back there. You know where they're at. And it's just really easy to use. The touchscreen is really quick, and once you get the hang of this dial, you'll probably never use a touchscreen again. More questions on the G21, or if you would like to see this boat in person, come visit us in Excelsior at 141 Minnetonka Boulevard. Look forward to seeing you.